Hello from OGS Mechanics Workshop. We've got here today a VW Crafter for which the customer wanted to enhance the security of it. Each van, it could have a different type of security, and we offer custom solutions depend on make, model, and type of use. And what we have done on this case, we want to show you, we've tried to make this van very secure. We have installed an anti-theft immobilizer Ghost 2, which is one of the most advanced vehicle immobilizer on the market. If you want to find out details about it, you can search online, look on our website, or get in touch. But Ghost 2 is the next level solution for vehicle immobilizer. Furthermore, what we have done, because it's a van, we install vehicle security. If you come around, we're going to show you. We install vehicle security deadlocks on all doors. On this side door is a high level because those doors being so high, they can be bent by thieves. So having a lock installed at this level will significantly reduce the chances for such event to happening. So we've installed locks all around, a ghost immobilizer on top. We've installed an alarm system. It has an alarm system with upgraded horns, which means if the alarm goes off, it's going to be very noisy. We also added to alarm system a shock sensor, so when the vehicle senses a shock, first of all, is gonna, from a slight shock, is gonna trigger a warning. If the shock becomes continuously, then it's going to trigger the alarm. At that point, those horns, they're going to go on continuously, very loud. And on top of that, the alarm will trigger a message to the customer. So it's an alarm with notification to the customer. So like I say, each van has different solutions for security. What we've done on this one, an immobilizer, security locks, alarm, with notification. The security has been significant increase. There are other things depending on the van, like I said earlier, spare security lock, because on some vans the spare wheels are easy to be stolen. Depends, is not the case on this one. Catalytic converter, so depends on your type of vans that you have. There's a custom solutions for that, and again, depending on type of use. For courier, sometimes deadlock is not a solution. Slam locks, they are better for courier, so it depends on type of use, different type of solutions. So this is what we have done today. If you are interested to know more about the type of solution that we can offer, get in touch, visit our website, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. We work in conjunction with car key solutions, where we create car keys and we solve vehicle immobilizer problems. So do get in touch and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Car key solutions and OGS Mechanics are one stop for all your vehicle needs, from security to mechanical diagnostic and programming and coding at dealer level. Thanks for watching.